Cut open the sealing tape on the package. Remove the main frame of the Easwe G10 electric wheelchair. Press both sides of the seat to unfold the wheelchair frame. Lift the backrest frame until it locks automatically. Lower the cat support frame of the footrest. Tighten the knobs to secure the backrest supports on both sides. Install the seat cushion. Install the inner backrest cushion. Thread the straps through the buckles and secure them to the Velcro on the backrest. Place and press the backrest cushion. Insert headrest and lock pin. Thread the safety belt through the third back strap without Velcro. Install the storage bag underneath the seat. Secure the straps to the Velcro pads, 2 on the top, 4 on the bottom. Adjust the footrest to the appropriate hole. Position and secure it with the pin clip. Install the controller and secure it onto the armrest. Route the cables neatly along the inside of the armrest. Select either the left or right battery for power supply. Press and hold the power button to turn on the wheelchair. Press the red button on the armrest to lift it up. Press the anti-tip wheel pedal to adjust it in 3 positions. Adjustable calf support height. Remove the pin to lower the footrest frame. Press the lever to adjust the backrest angle. Pull the lever backward to switch to manual mode. If powered on in manual mode, wheelchair cannot move. Wheelchair can now be freely pushed. Push the lever forward to return to automatic mode. Use the joystick to operate the wheelchair. Press and hold to power on or off. Decrease speed. Increase speed. 6 adjustable levels. Horn button. Hazard lights. Headlight on or off. Mute. Connect the charger. Plug into the controller charging port. Remove the spring pin and slide out the battery. Insert the charging plug into the battery and connect it to the charger port. After charging, reinstall the battery. Unlock the knob locks on both sides of the backrest. Remove the backrest frame, all cushions and storage bag. Pull out the pin and remove the footrests. Remove the controller. Fold up the calf support frame. Lift both sides of the seat to fold the frame. Press the lever to lower the backrest frame. Folding completed. Lift backrest and unfold wheelchair frame. Install the controller and secure it. Lower the calf support frame. Insert the pin to install the footrests. Reinstall the all cushion and press the Velcro firmly. Attach the safety belt. Secure the backrest support frame. Secure the lower storage bag. Lower the armrests and fasten the safety belt. Once powered on, you can move freely.